What do you think of the 5 friendliest nationalities?
I would say, bit of a unique one, Fijians. They're super friendly.
Bula!
Yeah. Obviously very tall, big people, so they look a little bit scary, but they are gentle giants, really friendly people, and an amazing place. Papua New Guinea.
Wow.
Like, people don't usually think that they're friendly, but generally on the whole, they're really friendly. They don't see many tourists, and so they treat you like a god. Yeah, just very, very good people and very hardworking people. I say number 3 is Philippines.
I agree.
Everyone knows that Filipinos are just so friendly, so smiley, so happy. They're just the happiest people. Like, I've never met people so happy in my life. Also, I'm going to go with the African country is Eritrea. The Eritreans are very friendly people. They don't get many tourists again, and they're very proud. They're very proud to be Eritrean, and they're proud of their history and stuff. So they are inviting tourists, and they're very friendly to tourists. The friendliest nationality, in my opinion, although I live here, so I'm a little bit biased, is the Indonesians. They are insanely kind, friendly. They're just cool people.
Yeah,
They're
so friendly, so happy, and always a smile.
Winner stays on African countries, Somalia or Tunisia?
To travel to Tunisia.
Tunisia or Madagascar?
Madagascar.
Madagascar or Liberia?
Madagascar.
Madagascar or Egypt?
Madagascar is just super underrated, and the beaches are incredible. Best beaches in the world.
Madagascar or Cameroon?
Madagascar. I got mugged in Cameroon.
Madagascar or Mauritania?
Madagascar. Mauritania is terrible.
Madagascar or Nigeria?
Madagascar. Super underrated.
Madagascar or South Africa?
South Africa, but I've only been to Cape Town, Johannesburg, so hard to say.
Okay, South Africa or Djibouti?
South Africa.
South Africa or Equatorial Guinea?
South Africa. Equatorial Guinea was so boring.
South Africa or Ethiopia?
Ethiopia. Incredible nature, incredible people, just a vibe.
Ethiopia or Morocco?
Ethiopia. Underrated.
Ethiopia or Mauritius?
Mauritius. Best beaches in the world.
Mauritius or Ivory Coast?
Mauritius.
Mauritius or Tanzania?
Mauritius. Tanzania's not that
Mauritius
amazing.
or Eritrea?
You know what? Mauritius is obviously a nicer place to go, but I'm going to go with the underdog, Eritrea.
Eritrea or South Sudan?
Eritrea. South Sudan is not ready for tourism.
And then Eritrea or Gabon?
Eritrea. Gabon's great, but not much